Hello, Ed. All right. Here is your 636SA sitting on my 48 flathead. Testing and adjustment went real easy. Very happy with it. Let's take a look down inside. See, she's nice and dry. Everything's going well. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Yes, this is what I see. All right, we'll look again. See, there's no dripping going on, so the float is set correctly. All right. Let's look at some numbers. Currently idling at about 640. Let's see if I can't turn that up just a skosh. There we go. And all right, right there at about 650. All right. Fuel pressure currently 2.75. Vacuum is at 23. Beautiful. And there's my dwell at 42. Let's pull it through a couple times. No stumble. Yes, sir. All right. And we'll look down inside one more time. Yes, sir. You're doing good. All right. I think you're going to like it, Ed. Thanks.